Morning. Austin pointed out to me there's all this fog in the valley. It's so cool. Good morning. It is day 2 in Italy. We just woke up at the villa. Got myself ready. I'll film an outfit of the day. We're going to Pisa today and we're about to have some breakfast. And they made like special allergy and vegan and gluten and all that kind of stuff free stuff for us and a few other folks, which is really nice. So let's go check it out. You did. Okay. Got fruit and pastries. Okay. Some soy yogurt. Not a bad little breakfast. We heard a crack and apparently this walnut fell out of a tree. We've got walnut trees. That's fun. Apparently they come out of these fruit. It's very interesting.
They're all over the ground. All over the ground.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere. The view is so pretty. We're in Pisa. It is nuts. But we got our pictures. And we've got a couple hours till we go to the soccer game. We're gonna go see what it costs to walk the wall. Because you can walk the wall that surrounds the town. And if it's like, if it takes too long, we probably won't do it, but Suze might, because she's not going to the game, so she'll be here with some time to kill. Here's the tower. It's a tower and it's leaning. It is as advertised. Last time I was here, like years ago, you could stand on the grass, so like you could get really good angles to take pictures, but all the grass is cordoned off right now and you can't stand on it, which is kind of annoying. You have to sort of like put yourself on these little pillars and balance on them to get a good picture. We're gonna have to practice. We're walking along the wall. The tower is right there. I think after we get past these buildings, it should be more of like a direct view, maybe. But I'm not even looking at myself. It's really cool. Oh yeah, and the mountains in the distance. Hopefully it picks them up. It's really cool. And then over there's the soccer stadium. That's where we'll be going later. Here's our view of the tower up on the wall. It's really cool. Fiorentina has arrived for the game.
Flop Tina.
Twerking Tina. We're still walking along the wall, but luckily one of the exits from the wall is pretty much right where we need to get off to go to the soccer game, which is nice. And Suze has very graciously said she'll take our bag, because I've got the Paddington bag. So that works out. Some cool graffiti on what maybe is a school, I don't know.
I like how the graffiti is in English.
They're being rebellious.
Ciao, mama.
And the mountains right in front of us are so beautiful.
We're at the game.
Hey look, it's my place. So I obviously couldn't vlog at the soccer game, or one of those football associations would take this whole video down. So I only have a couple clips. And I am on my phone right now because I wasn't sure if they would let me take in that camera. So Suze has that camera. She didn't get tickets to the game. So she actually bought like the ticket to do all the tours here of all these cool buildings. So that's neat. We just peed. It's €1 to use the bathroom. Although I will say, even though it smelled terrible, it was the cleanest and least junky bathroom I've been in yet, so that's good. Although the one at McDonald's wasn't terrible. At least mine wasn't. Suze's was missing the toilet seat. So yeah, it's been a great day. The game ended up being a draw 0-0. I know I showed a clip of them getting a goal, but that was overturned after VAR. There was a foul before the goal, so we didn't get to see them win, but it's fine. It was still a really, really fun game. It was a very active game. We were in the chiller section, but it had just enough juice for me. Like, people were cheering, but it wasn't like the go in there shirtless and bang on a drum section. So that was like the right level for me. It's so much different than an American stadium because like you have to go in the section right where your seats are. You can't just go in wherever and then walk around. And there was like no team store, at least there wasn't in our area. And the concessions were more like a high school concession stand, like at a football game or something. It was very like laid back and not as elaborate, but we were still able to get waters, no biggie. So yeah, it was a fun time. We're gonna be in the crazy section when we go to a Napoli game, so that'll be interesting. I was definitely too tired to be in a wild section today, so the slow paced section, or the old man section I kept calling it, was good for us. Did you enjoy the game? Had a good time? Yeah. So we're just waiting on Suze now, and then we're gonna walk to a vegan restaurant for dinner. I think it's vegan. It's either vegan or has a lot of vegan options. I can't remember. The bells are ringing. Apparently this is just one fancy elaborate bell tower. Suze is currently a jellyfish because she climbed the tower.
It was very worth it, but I am tired.
Yes. We're having dinner at Ristoro Dantesca, and they have vegan options. I might have the vegan special pizza, but I'm flipping through and looking at all of them. So here is our souvenir from Pisa. I've started putting magnets on the electrical box on our first floor. We took all the magnets from Austin's grandma's condo, and I figured I'll get this one to add to the collection. I mean, most of those magnets we actually bought his mom and grandma, so it's nice that they're back with us. But got that, and then this is a souvenir for someone, so I'm not showing that. I actually realized that these aren't going to be edited and posted on YouTube until after I'm already home. So it's a leaning tower shot glass that leans. How stupid is that? I love that. It's so funny. Austin got the lasagna and he gave me a bite and it was very good. Here's my pizza. It's got the vegan camembert and grapes and pepper, and there was one other thing. I can't remember. It's probably the other cheese. We're walking past at night. It's very cool. Cute little fountain. Suze's head.
My head.
We're back from Pisa. We chit-chatted with the bride's mom and the groom's mom for a minute. And now I am filling the bathtub because trying to shower with that handle thing alone was very difficult. So I'm gonna fill the bathtub up some too. Because I need it. I feel so stinky from the smoking old men in the stadium.